Hey everyone, I'm Brandon Lombardo with ShopSabre CNC. Some of you may be following us on our podcast and you may know that my son plays hockey. I got voluntold that I was gonna create some fun little door hangers for a hockey tournament we have upcoming. We have a team of 15 skaters and we're gonna be going to a hotel and they want fun door hangers that kind of represents who they are, talks about their number for the team. So I'm gonna recruit Logan to help me design something really cool and then we're gonna get to work here. I'm gonna cut it out in Baltic. I think it'll be a fun project to combine the laser option with the routing and kind of showcase something a little bit less traditional with these machines. Something you can do, whether it be on the side, you know, maybe you run a cabinet business or a sign shop. We're gonna use the IS machine today, but this same combination can be combined with a lot of our models. It might be fun to showcase this for you guys, so I think we should get started. Well, we're all done. The hockey stick project turned out great. Laser etched name, number, some detail in there, routed out shape, edge finish is beautiful. Gotta love the ball screws, the Mitsubishi servos. This machine's got it all. But whether you're using this for your cabinet business, your sign business, or you're just making some, fun projects like what I did today, it's a great tool to have in your arsenal. Again, I got to cross off one of my honey-do list items today, so that's always a win for me. But if you want more information on our machines, make sure you visit ShopSabre.com. If you want to see more videos, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching.